And the battle continues. Round 2 is done and over. Who won this battle? Shiba Inu is still in the lead, but are it staying in the lead after this round? Dogecoin has been fighting back heavily. Which one of these two gave us the best results in this round? But before we continue, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on growing the community. We're going to have a look at the second biggest exchange we're trading on, FTX. We're going to look at Shiba Inu and at Dogecoin, and we'll be looking into the results to see, are the results 1-1 or did Shiba Inu take the overall win? Leave a comment down below before we continue. Who do you think won this round? FTX, the second biggest exchange. Link will be down in the description. What is FTX? FTX is a centralized crypto exchange created by traders for traders, backed by significant trading companies in the industry, including Alameda Research, OTPP, Temasek, BlackRock, Coinbase Ventures, and Sequoia Capital. As of 2022, the platform has over 1 million registered users, and the daily trading volume has reached billions of dollars. It supports over 300 cryptocurrencies for spot trading and offers products such as derivatives, options, prediction markets, leveraged tokens, tokenized stocks, OTC desk, and volatility products. And that's why they're able to do $2 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. Who are the FTX founders? The Bahamas-based company was founded by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. FTX claims to be built by traders for traders, and the team hails from reputable Wall Street quant firms and technology companies such as Jane Street, Optiver, Sequoia, Facebook, and Google. Sam Bankman-Fried, more widely known as SBF in the industry, is an entrepreneur and investor. He studied at Massachusetts Institute of Technology and graduated with a degree in physics and minor in mathematics. Before creating FTX, he worked at Jane Street Capital and founded Alameda Research trading firm. As for Gary Wang, he served as CTO of the company. Wang also graduated from MIT and worked as a software engineer at Google, building price aggregation systems before teaming up with SBF to launch FTX in May 2019. Now, I've been trading on FTX for this battle, and it's so easy to use and convenient. Looking at Shiba Inu, one of the coins that's in the battle. If we look at the last 3 months graph, we can see it's been an up-down struggle. Just can't seem to get away, but the most of the time it's been on the green according to CoinMarketCap. Looking at Dogecoin, a similar strategy has been happening. Dogecoin has been volatile, and the more volatile, the more opportunities it creates. We can see it's been in the red, in the green, above average, below average. But lately, it's been below average a little bit, just struggling to get away. It might need Elon Musk to send out a tweet. But who knows? Time will tell. Ranked still in the top 10 at rank 10. Shiba Inu is ranked 14th. So the two dog coins are close to each other, and they just keep on building forward. Let's have a look and see at the chart of Shiba Inu what is happening. Looking at our Shiba Inu US dollar chart, we can see since we started this battle, Shiba Inu has been in a little bit of a downtrend. Looking at all the different arrows, the red arrows meant we got profits, and the blue arrows meaning we got into the market. Currently, if we count up, we can see we have a total of 15 limit orders in place to give us profits when the market goes up. But the question is, which one of the two dark coins closed the most trades and profit to win this round? we still have our free buy limit orders open. So if the market drops, we can get into the market and make sure we have opportunities to give us profit. Every time a buy limit order gets hit, immediately we put in a sell limit order to see if we can get profit and keep on turning the balances. Looking at the results since our previous video on the 8th of September, 10 days ago, we've opened a whole bunch, a total of 12 more buy limit orders, and we've closed 2 sell limit orders in profit. So over this period, Shiba Inu has only given us profit on 2 trades. Now the question is, what did Dogecoin do? Were Dogecoin able to give us more profit, or did Dogecoin lose the battle? Looking at Dogecoin's chart, we can see it's much more a sideways movement than Shiba Inu. But the question is still, which one gave us the most profit? Looking at Dogecoin, we have a total sell orders placed of 10 sell limit orders placed, where Shiba Inu has 15 sell limit orders placed. We still have our free buy limit orders on both coins, creating the opportunity if the market drops. But the major question is, which one gave us the most profit? We're in the market with both. One dropped more than the other one because we're trading exactly the same strategy. But which one gave the most close trades to give us the most profit in this period of time? So let's have a look. Looking at Dogecoin, we can see we have 11 trades. Oh, this is buy and sell. We just need to move it to just the sell orders. So we can see we've opened basically 5 trades in this period, which one of them closed in profit, meaning Dogecoin closed 1 trade in profit in this period. And when we go back and look at Shiba Inu has closed 2 trades in profit. That means Shiba Inu has won this round yet again. Shiba Inu goes ahead 2-0, making Shiba Inu the dog to be trading. Shiba Inu gave us the most profits in 2 rounds. It's a battle of the best out of 3, and Shiba Inu just took the overall win. Which coin were your money on? Are you a fan of Shiba Inu, or are you a fan of Dogecoin? Or just smash that like button so we could keep on growing the channel. We'll be looking for a new challenge, but Shiba Inu is the dog to catch. Enjoy the extreme crypto gains.